What's up?
My cousin Harold bet me a Tyrannisburger that I couldn't put 11 elephants in 4 pens.
Piece of cake.
Yeah, but the tricky part is it has to be an odd number in each pen.
Piece of cake. Watch. Yeah. There. How's that?
3, 1, 5, 2. Nope, no good. 2 is an even number. How about this? That's got it.
7310. No, that won't work either. 0 is an even number.
Wait, this is no good. We should look at this from a different point of view.
Yeah. Hey, I got it. Watch this.
Hey, you did it. 7, 3, 1, and all 11 are inside the big pen.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta look at a problem a couple of different ways.
You know, now that you mention it, I'll bet there are other ways to do it.
Hey, let's try it on Griswold over there.
Most doctors surveyed prescribed Square One TV for patients with meth ache.